Are you looking for the Amarey A800 Robot Vacuum? We've reviewed nicely, so let's start. Features: multi-surface brush roll, 2 spinning brushes, anti-drop sensors, 2 HEPA filters. It also features anti-collision and anti-drop technology, meaning it won't damage your furniture by knocking into it all the time, and you won't have to retrieve it continually when it tumbles down the stairs. It is effective at transitioning between different floor types and has no problem crossing between wood floors, carpet or tiles. Its low profile also allows it to clean in hard-to-reach spots. At only 2.7 in height, it slips easily underneath furniture to remove buildups of dust and debris that might collect there. It has 4 different run settings. The main auto setting is the one to use if you want it to clean your whole home. This will set it to randomly cover the whole area of the floor. The other settings include spot for cleaning a small area, max to focus extra power on a dirty patch and edge for cleaning along edges and walls. The triple filter system is also highly effective at sucking up dust and keeping smaller particles trapped inside. The pre-filter is washable too, enabling you to keep it in good working order for longer. However, as with other budget options, there are a few inconveniences. For example, while it may have good suction power, this unit doesn't deal well with larger debris such as cereal or cat litter. Also, since it only follows a random pattern, sometimes it needs a little help finding its way back to the dock, although, again, this is quite common with the more budget-oriented robot vacuums. All in all, this is another decent option if you want something that won't cost a fortune but will still get the job done. Despite its limitations, this is a unit that many people will enjoy owning and one that will give you some much-needed help with the housework. Pros: powerful suction pulls up pet hair and other stubborn dirt. Transitions easily between thick rugs and wood floors. Thin and sleek design. 4 cleaning modes. 100 minutes of runtime. Automatically returns dock to recharge. Cons: no app control. No room mapping capabilities.